Hi everyone, welcome back with me with a ghost effect to your clips on the CapCut PC. So here, what you need to do is just import the clips that you want to edit. And after that, you just need to go to the video effect. Here, go to where you want the ghost effect to happen. For example, in here. Then go to the video effect, click on the nightclub category. Then under the nightclub section, just scroll down until you find the astral effect. Okay, so here is the astral effect. First, download it and then just click on the plus icon to add it to your clip. Now you can just adjust the range. I'm going to lower the range. Okay, for example, in here like this. Then here you can also adjust the speed. Okay, and after that you are done, and the ghost effect will look like this with the astral effect. If you want to make it slow, you can just lower the speed in here, and that's it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on like, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.